Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to stop people from adding you to groups on WhatsApp. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, most of the time you are facing lots of errors, and you're facing that again and again. Your friends or some of your unknown person is again and again adding you in some of the groups, and you don't know why, and it's really a disgusting. So in order to avoid that specific act, what you have to do is just simply go to the top right corner of three dots on the top right corner, and here you have to simply open up settings. So here in the settings, just simply open up the second option, which is privacy. So after tapping on the privacy, just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option which is groups. So just simply open up this groups option, and you guys can see who can add me to groups, which is by default on everyone. So in this way, everyone who have your access to your number can join you in any of the group. So in order to avoid that, you have to simply go to my contacts. So if you want, if any of your contact is doing that same act, so in order to avoid that, you guys can just simply add on my contact expect accept, and here you have to simply add that specific number which is continuously adding you in groups. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.